guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Re'biana, and today Unice Hair was nice enough to send me over this wig unit. So to start with the specs, this is a 24-inch Kinky straight wig with 150% density, and it is also in their reddish brown tone. So to me, this is basically like an auburn color. I'm not sure if I reviewed this color before. I'm not sure, you guys, but here today I am bringing you guys another fall tone wig, and I'm absolutely loving it on my skin tone. Like, I just love these fall tones. I'm glad that they're all sending me all of these like colors to show you guys so you can see how it looks on me. But with this install, you guys, it was pretty easy. The lace looks really good as well. Very easy to work with. This is very full. For it to be 150% density, you guys, it's still a lot of hair. Even with like straightening and flattening out, it's still also a lot of hair. So let me know what you guys think below of this wig unit. I think it's really cute. I like the color, and hopefully I can get my hands on this color in another texture so I can show you guys. But I'm loving the big hair, voluminous, thick hair. Like, I just love it. Also, I think that you guys should purchase or have a wig unit in your wig collection that is of a kinky straight texture, especially like a U-part wig, you guys, because it mimics our hair than any other texture, in my opinion. It's way easier to blend, in my opinion, than any other texture. So let me know what you guys think of the color down below. Tell me if you guys like the color. I really love the color. I really love the color, you guys. But until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.